Well, the hot and dry weather continues to persist across the region, and for some lucky residents of New Mexico and Arizona, they may see more of these dry weather phenomenons happen more often this time of year. Fox 44's meteorologist Haley Fitzpatrick explains what they are in this week's WeatherWise.
If you've ever been on a road trip in the desert Southwest around this time of year, you may have come across a few of these whirling columns of air. These are called dust devils, and no, they are not tornadoes. Dust devils are usually harmless, but on rare occasions, they can sometimes pose a threat to people and small structures in its path. They're usually small and fairly weak, with wind speeds averaging about 45 miles per hour. They can measure several meters wide and tall. But on rare occasions, they can grow to a size like this, between 500 to possibly 1,000 feet high. And while they normally last several minutes before dissipating, the larger ones like this can stick around longer, having wind speeds in excess of 60 miles per hour as it lofts dust and debris into the atmosphere. But notice this, these dust devils aren't connected to any cloud base, but instead they stand alone. So what are they and where do they come from? It's a common wind phenomena that occurs throughout much of the world, including New Mexico and Arizona. They form on clear, sunny days with light winds in areas where strong surface heating occurs. When the ground warms, it warms the air directly above it, and that warm air rises, creating a tiny area of low pressure to form at the surface. This sudden uprush of air into the atmosphere allows air to rotate around the center of that low pressure. This rapidly rising warm air rotates while being stretched into the atmosphere, which allows it to rotate even faster. It's got the same method that an ice skater has when they want to increase their spin. They make themselves narrower by tucking their arms into their bodies to spin faster. That's exactly what's going on here. The spinning and the lofting of warmer air picks up dirt, dust, and debris, which gives it its dusty, tornado-like look to it. The constant circulation of hot air in the center of the dust devil keeps it alive, and once that warm air is depleted, the dust devil falls apart and dissipates. And remember how I said it's not a tornado? Well, that's still true. It's got the same vertical rotation a tornado has, but the way both of them originate is much different, because a tornado must descend from a cloud base and is associated with a mesocyclone, while dust devils originate from a whirlwind on the ground. If you have any weather questions that want to be answered, you can ask me through social media, or you can email them to me. Your question may just be featured on our next WeatherWise segment. In the studio, I'm meteorologist Haley Fitzpatrick, Fox 44 News.